As a college instructor and most of my teaching career was spent as a senior high school research teacher, here are some of my insights on something that I'm not confident to perform as strategies from impact in the context of the senior high school in the program teaching and peer group learning. Wearing the black hat, as a senior high school research teacher, peer group learning from impact might not really work seamlessly because it's designed for elementary students, where a group of 5 to 6 use simple modules with a rotating leader. In the senior high school, students are older with complex subjects like research methods. They may resist peer authority, leading to uneven participation or conflicts, and even adapting could disrupt the pacing of learning. And without strong oversight, weaker students might fall behind. Potential issues include group imbalances and assessment fairness. For the program teaching, on the other hand, preparing custom modules and training program teachers would take significant time. And without strong supervision, misconceptions could spread. Plus, assessment might be unfair in high-stakes senior high school environment. Now, wearing the green hat, to adopt and even create custom research modules on topics like data analysis with digital tools for collaboration like Google Docs for shared notes, must train to rotate leaders via short workshops, blending peer sessions with facilitation for guidance, and as an alternative, hybrid model with online forums for asynchronous input, flipped classroom, or even project-based groups where peers co-design experiments. This could teach leaders and even leadership and critical thinking skills, evolving the impacts contracting into group goal-setting contracts. We need to also look into the integration of gamification, like points for accurate scripting or hybrid modules with branching paths for advanced learners. Now, wearing the red hat, intuitively, this feels empowering. Students might feel more engaged and have a sense of ownership of their learning, fostering a collaborative vibe and crave in research classes. But something that gives me a hunch on the implementation of impact. It might be specifically for the introverted kids, where they will feel overwhelmed and excitement mixes with worry and equity. Overall, I think that the implementation of impact could really spark deeper insights if would be modified properly. In conclusion, program teaching and peer group learning in the impact system has power to shift from teacher-centered to student-led instruction. Program teaching empowers advanced students to deliver scripted lessons, building their confidence and mastery while structuring basics for peers, adaptable to guiding research methods like hypothesis formulation. Peer group learning fosters collaborative small group discussions with rotating leaders, promoting critical thinking and ownership, ideal for senior high school projects on data analysis or even ethics. Together, this enhances engagement, reduces teacher workload, and even cultivate lifelong research skills through requiring customization for older learners such as the senior high school students.